Hey, look at this baby. Oh, hi, sweetheart. Do you want to get out of here?
Badly.
Do you want to get out?
Look, you're black and white. I'm black and white. Take me home.
Look at this baby.
Mm-hmm.
Hi, sweet pea. Hi, Angel. Hi. Hi.
Hey, don't wait.
Are you sleepy? Oh, you sweet baby. Hi, Angel. Look at your pretty face. Oh.
This is Mommy.
Hi, Mama. Hi. You're a sweet baby. Are you a sweet girl?
I'm a very sweet girl.
Hi. Do you want to get out too?
Uh-huh, desperately.
Do you want to get out? Say, help me. Help me out, please. I want
to speak for them.
I want to get out with my babies.
Hey, come see this guy over here. Okay, the other one might run. She's afraid.
Hi, buddies. Oh, this is insane. Hi, sweet babies. Oh, that's Mama right there.
Yeah, this is...
Hi, buddy.
Isn't he cute, Anna?
Hi, handsome boy. Aww. Hi, you two. What are y'all doing out here? What are you doing out here? How did you get here, bud? How did you get here? Hi, sweetie pie. And who is this?
She's pregnant.
Hi, Mama.
Early term.
She's beautiful.
I know, doesn't she kind of remind you a little bit of a
Vizsla.
Yeah.
Okay, and where's Daddy?
Daddy comes in.
Hi, babies. Aww.